In today's lesson, we'll be learning the song Copycat to practice our intervallic reading at seat position. Let's get started. First, take a second to place your hands in the proper position. Like the last few songs we've done, our right hand thumb will start on middle C and our left hand finger number 5 will start on low C. Parents, make sure you're situated correctly with the right notes, and when you're all ready, let's take a look at these first two measures. We will be starting with our right hand finger number 5 and going down in steps to our finger number 1 on middle C. Then we will go back up in skips to our finger number 5. Take a second to go over this section with your parents and make sure we keep our hands steady and relaxed as we play these two measures. When we're all ready, let's play this section together. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job! If you'd like to repeat this section, feel free to do so. Let's move on to the next section. If you look closely, our fingers will be moving in the same pattern as they did in the first two measures, except we are now playing with our left hand. We'll be starting with our left hand finger number 1 and going down in steps to our finger number 5 on low C. Then we will be going up in skips back to our finger number 1. Let's take a second to practice this section, and like I said previously, let's make sure our hands are relaxed and steady as we play, and let's keep our right hand in position. When you're all ready, let's play together. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing job! Feel free to go back and practice this last section if you need to. Let's move on to the next line of our music. In this next section, we'll be starting with our right hand finger number 2 and going up in steps to our finger number 5. In the next measure, we'll come back down in steps to our finger number 2. Let's take a moment to practice this with our parents first, and when we're ready, let's play this together. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job! Feel free to practice that again if you need to, and let's look at the next two measures of this line. Kind of like what happened in the line before this one, our left hand in this section will now be copying the same finger pattern that our right hand just did in the section before. We will be starting on our finger number 4 and going up in steps to our finger number 1. Then we will be going down in steps back to our finger number 4. Take a moment to practice this first, and when we're all ready, let's go over this together. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sounding great. If you'd like to repeat this section or look back through this page and repeat other sections, feel free to do so. When we're ready, let's move on to the next page of our music. We'll take a look at this first line. If you look closely, we're playing the exact same thing as we played in the first line on the first page. Let's review it together. We'll be starting with our right hand finger number 5, going down in steps to middle C, and going back up in skips to our right hand finger number 5 again. Then we will switch to our left hand finger number 1 and go down in steps to our finger number 5, then go back up in skips to our finger number 1. Take a moment to practice this line with your parents first, and remember to keep your hands steady while you switch between the two hands. When we're all ready, let's play this together. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, Good job! Feel free to go back and practice this section again if you'd like. Now let's take a look at the last line of our music. In this section, we'll be starting with our right hand finger number 2 and going up in steps to our finger number 5. In the next measure, we will skip down to our finger number 3 and then take steps down back to our finger number 1 on middle C. If you need to annotate your music, feel free to do so you can keep track of the different steps and skips that we're doing in this section. When we're all ready, let's play these two measures together. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job! If you'd like to repeat that one more time, feel free to do so. Now let's take a look at the last two measures of our music. Similarly to what we've been doing this whole piece, our left hand will now copy exactly what our right hand did. We will be starting with our left hand finger number 4 and going up in steps to our finger number 1. Then we will skip down to our finger number 3 in the next measure and take steps down to our low C on finger number 5. Take a moment to practice this with your parents, and when we're all ready, let's play this together. I'll give us a countdown. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. If you'd like to repeat this last section for practice, feel free to go back and do so. Otherwise, we finished our song Copycat. Parents, to help your child practice this week, have them point out the patterns that we noticed as we were going through Copycat. Take a look at how our left hand copies the movements of our right hand. You can keep a note of this by annotating your music and practicing a few sections at a time. And like I mentioned earlier, let's try and keep our hands relaxed while we practice our steps and skips. By the end of this week, you should have the song ready to go. Happy practicing!